Hi everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you why is your Nintendo Switch 2 not connecting to your TV. So, if your Nintendo Switch 2 isn't connecting to your TV, the issue could be related to hardware setup, cables or TV settings. The step-by-step troubleshooting guide is that at first we have to ensure that we are using the official Nintendo Switch 2 dock, not the older Switch dock from the first generation. The Switch 2 uses a new HDMI/USB Type-C architecture that may not work properly with third-party or old docks. The step 2, the tip 2 for me to you is that we have to check cable connections. And I have the same issue with the cable connections. We have to use official HDMI 2.1 cable and the AC adapter, which is included in the box with the Switch 2. And we have to make sure that we have HDMI plugged into the dock, not the Switch directly. The HDMI cable is firmly connected to both the dock and the TV, and the AC adapter is plugged into a power outlet, not just USB from TV. We have to verify docking properly. This is the third tip. Insert the console screen down into the dock until it clicks in place. The screen should go black, indicating it's sending output to the TV. If the screen stays on, the dock may be not recognizing it, so we have to contact the device support. We have to select the correct TV input. We have to switch our TV input to the correct HDMI port, which can be HDMI, HDMI 2. We here have to just check it out. Try cycling through the HDMI ports and at the final we have to restart everything. We have to power off the TV and switch to unplug the dock, wait 30 or 40 seconds and try again. If you want to try something more advanced that I didn't mention earlier, you can just try a different HDMI port or cable, check for firmware updates in your Switch, or don't use as USB Type-C monitor directly. If it's still not working, you have to contact the device support. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.